Hi, I'm Khanmigo. Let's meet some great teachers, just like you.
I teach chemistry.
IELD students, the English language learners.
Sixth grade math.
Computer science. I teach high school math.
I'm a student teacher.
Please tell us more.
I have to lead 3 different types of classes, and I have to come up with how I'm going to teach the curriculum. And that's a really daunting process, but having Khanmigo, it's a really helpful assistant to kind of put all those pieces together. We're doing gas dynamics, and we're teaching it through the lens of climate change. How can I make that real for my students? And so I might ask Khanmigo, give me a hook for starting our unit on the chemistry of climate change. And it'll give me 4 or 5 options.
I like that I can ask Khanmigo a question or say, hey, I need like an easy, a medium, and a hard. And so it can help me develop my lesson plan into 3 different categories where instead of going to multiple websites or looking for different resources, I can do it all in one location.
It really helps with differentiating the instruction for all the kids.
Yeah, it saves me a lot of time. Not having to do the groupings, it does it for me. Khanmigo kind of takes care of the initial blank white page, gives me that starting point.
From start to finish, just faster.
Could save 20-30 minutes a day, times 5. So I was kind of blown away by that.
If I wasn't going to use Khanmigo, then I'd have to search for all these different activities or these exit tickets or questions to ask, and that would take hours of my time each week.
My pleasure, but it's not about me.
It wasn't that Khanmigo was replacing human interaction, it was augmenting it. It's not really about the AI, it's that the AI is going to enable more human-to-human interactions.
You're able to go to those students that need the most amount of help and let the ones that are able to move on their own just excel.
That's right. It's about you and your students. So come on, let's get started.